How to use Turntable mode in Capsule 360. First, mount your Capsule 360 onto the bottom plate. Then, mount the top plate onto your Capsule 360. Next, put your camera onto your tripod. After that, connect your smartphone to your camera by using the mobile dongle and the camera connection cable. After that, power your device on. Now, power your camera on. Then, open the Capsule 360 mobile app. Finally, connect your device and choose the Turntable mode from the menu. Then, make the configuration of the Turntable mode. The frame parameter allows you to set the total number of photos to be taken in a 360-degree lap. The interval parameter defines the duration between each frame. You can set the interval from milliseconds to hours, depending on your needs. The mode parameter defines the movement behavior of your Capsule 360 while taking each shot. If you select Automatic, Capsule 360 handles all of the process by itself. It takes the shot, then rotates the table. After that, takes one more shot, rotates the table again, and repeats these steps until it completes the 360-degree rotation. If you select the manual mode, Capsule 360 takes the shot, then rotates the table and waits for the next command. After pressing the Continue button, Capsule 360 takes one more shot and then rotates the table again. If you want to take the shots with your smartphone but not your DSLR, then you can use Smartphone mode. This mode works in the same way as Automatic mode. The only difference is that it uses the smartphone instead of the DSLR to take photos. By changing the direction parameter, you can define the direction of the rotation. It may be either clockwise or counterclockwise. After setting the desired parameters and pressing the Start button, Capsule 360 takes the shot and rotates the table according to your settings while you can track the movement on the screen. And that's it. It's all so easy.